Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've just been shopping at Aldi and picked up some reduced strawberries because I've picked up all my strawberries from the garden, but they were 50% off, and this has spurred me on to make a summer pudding, summer dessert, strawberry mousse, and it doesn't require any gelatin, so it's great if you're vegetarian as well. So it was a punch of strawberries, a tub of cream. This is 300 mils and that was £1.39 in Aldi, and a tablespoon of icing sugar. I find granulated is too gritty, but that's all you need, those three ingredients. So what did I do? I kept one strawberry and cut it in half and pulled the leaves off because that's going to be the decoration at the top. And then all the other strawberries I pulled the leaves off as well. Threw it in the blender with a tablespoon of icing sugar, and I've poured a little bit into the serving dishes. I've got these pretty cocktail glasses, but you could use any sort of glasses you want, or even just a normal ceramic bowl. So I've blended them and I've poured some of the strawberry sugar mix into the just a little bit into the bottom of each dish. And then in a big bowl, I've whipped the cream. So it's quite firm, and I'm going to take just a little bit off and put it in a separate bowl. Just a little bit. Just keep that separate. And then I'm going to pour in the rest of this strawberry mix, and then I'm going to mix it with a spoon. Obviously, you make sure you get every last little bit. I can't do that at the moment because I've only got one hand, and just mix it in. And makes a gorgeous strawberry mousse. There we go. And then spoon it into each dish. Obviously be more careful than me because I'm making a right mess. Is it messy? Yes. Is it tasty? Definitely. Is it worth doing? Absolutely. And then, with the blob of cream that you saved, stick it on top. Is it perfect? No. Would it do for MasterChef? Certainly not. Would you eat it? Yeah. And then it's just stick one of the little strawberries in, and there you go. Stick it in the fridge to chill for about an hour or so, and you've got yourself a fancy schmancy pudding with no gelatin, and only took 3 ingredients: a punnet of strawberries, a little pot of cream, and a tablespoon of icing sugar, and you've got something that looks really nice, really tasty, and it's quick and easy to do. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe if you could be so kind, and bye for now.